You start with a magic ring, double loop or single loop, it doesn't really matter. So you hold it tight. We start with chain 1. And then 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. If you turn it around, you'll see these little back loops, back bumps. These little back bumps. 1 and then 2. We're going to work on those. So on the second back bump, we're going to single crochet 1, and then the second back bump, we're going to single crochet again. So in total, we did 2 single crochets, and then we'll slip stitch through the magic ring. Now 1 petal is done. Continue. We'll repeat this 5 times for 5 petals. 1, 2, 3 chains, back bumps, 2 single crochets, through the back bump, 1 single crochet, through the back bump, right here, through the back bump, another single crochet, and then slip stitch through the magic ring. Now the third one, 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. Back bump, single crochet, 1, and then there's a back bump right here, single crochet, slip stitch through the magic ring, 3 chains again, 1, 2, 3. Turn it around, you see 2 back bumps. 1 and 2. 2 single crochets. This one, 1, and second one, 2. Slip stitch through the magic ring. We have 4. Last one, 1, 2, 3. Turn it around, not slip stitch, back bumps. Single crochet, 1, back bump, single crochet, 2, and slip stitch through the magic ring. So we have 5 of them. Now take a little quick break. We'll close the magic ring, move your magic ring loops around to see which one closes, and then close it tight. So now you have 5 petals. Okay. With this, chain 1. If you see right here, there are 2 stitches, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We're going to slip stitch into the first one, slip stitch, and then single crochet in the next one, single crochet in the next one, and then 2 chains, 1, 2, single crochet into this one. This will be shaped as the pointy part of the petal. Now to make it symmetrical, we're going to single crochet in this one, slip stitch into this one, single crochet, and then slip stitch. So this makes 1 petal. We'll repeat this 5 times. Slip stitch, single crochet, slip stitch, single crochet, and then 1, 2. Single crochet, the pointy top, single crochet, and then slip stitch. Single crochet into this one, slip stitch. Second petal's done. Next one would be slip stitch, single crochet, slip stitch, and then single crochet. You gotta twist it a little because sometimes it can be a little too tight. Single crochet. And then 2 chains. 1, 2. Single crochet into this one. To make it symmetrical, single crochet and then slip stitch. Single crochet and then slip stitch. This will be again slip stitch and then single crochet. Slip stitch, single crochet, and then the pointy part, 2 chains, and then single crochet into the second one. Symmetrical, single crochet, slip stitch, single crochet, slip stitch. They're incredibly similar words. It's hard to pronounce. Now, slip stitch, single crochet. This one, slip stitch. Two chains, pointy petal, single crochet. Make a symmetrical single crochet, slip stitch. So this one is single crochet and then slip stitch. We will slip stitch into the first slip stitch we did before when we were beginning. You can leave the yarn in the back if you're sewing it onto something, or if you're just using it as a decoration, you can just cut them off. It doesn't really matter. We'll fasten off by hiding the yarn. There you go. Here in the back. Take it to the middle. Then tie it a little hard, tie it tight. Now it's done. You can cut these off if you don't need them.
Please like and subscribe to my mommy's video.